Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can open a Monzo account. So let's start. The first time you open Monzo on your device, tap on I'm new to Monzo. Type the email address that you want to connect to Monzo and tap on join. Tap open email app and tap on login to Monzo app. From the screen, tap on next and tap on let's get started. Choose the account that you want to open. So you have three options here. You have personal account, joint account, or business account. So for this video, let's choose personal account and tap next. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and tap on next. In here, you can type on your home postcode. And by the way, you can only open an account in Monzo if you are in the UK or in the US. So from here, choose which place you are from, follow the steps in the procedure, and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.